Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make zombie fudge. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 24 ounces of some kind of white chocolate. That could be almond bark, white chocolate chips, whatever you have. Then you need some, of course, gummy candies. I'm using the missing body parts from Target. It has the brains, the eyes, the fingers. I have one opened here. Then you need a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to use this neon green food coloring to color mine. And then I do have some green and red sprinkles that I may add. First, you want to put your white chocolate in a microwavable safe bowl and just melt that in 30-second increments until it's nice and smooth. That is nice and smooth, so now I'm going to stir in my can of sweetened condensed milk and just mix it to combine. My white chocolate and sweetened condensed milk are nice and combined, so I went ahead and added in my food coloring. And it's a creepy, zombie-looking green to me, so I like it. So I'm going to pour it in to an 8x8 or 9x9 baking dish lined with parchment paper. Okay, I just spread my mixture into my pan. And don't worry if yours thickens up, because it does that when you add food coloring to the white chocolate, but it's fine. I spread it out. Put some sprinkles in there just because I thought it would look cool with the red sprinkles added in and the green. And then I just put my little body parts wherever you want. You can use as many or as little as you want. I think it looks so cute. So now we need to put this in the refrigerator for 2 hours to let it set up. My zombie fudge has been in the refrigerator a couple hours, so I just removed it from the baking dish using the overhangs from my parchment paper, and now you can just cut it into pieces as big or as little as you like. My pieces of fudge have been cut. They look so creepy. I cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. I've got a piece here for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay.
The gummies get really hard in the refrigerator.
Oh, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy Halloween!